Okay guys, and welcome back. Brian again from Abilitude Professional Solutions. I've got a good one. I'm going to be talking to you about using the Flashfill facility in Microsoft Excel. Fantastic way of pulling out data from, say for example, email addresses to create other columns right next to it. Saves you a lot of time and makes you really look professional. So let's keep going till we get to the top, and when we get to the top, let's don't stop moving. Talk soon.
Okay, so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Flashfill feature that's available with all versions of Microsoft Excel. It's just a fantastic little tip and tool that helps you save time. So let's have a look at our scenario. So our scenario is somebody's given you a list of email addresses and they want you to actually create a table with first names and second names, and you want to save time doing this. So we're going to do a very quick show on how exactly we're going to do that. So we're going to come right here, create a column. So the first column is emails, and then column number B, we're going to call it first names because that's what we want in that column. And then in column C, we are going to actually put their surnames. But what we don't want to do is we don't want to actually have to type every single surname and every single name. So here's what Flashfill actually does for you. So what we can actually do is in the first row, in the second column, where we want our first names to be, we're going to enter the name Nancy. We go to the next column, and then on row number 3, that name is Andrew. We're going to put Andrew here. So in other versions, I'm working with a MacBook, and what happens is it doesn't actually fill in all the other names, but if you are on another version, you would actually notice that all of the other names like Jan, Maria, Stephen would have appeared. But if in case it doesn't do that, we would go to the corner of the third row in column number B, and we would actually drag all of those, drag Andrew down. And what it actually does, it doesn't make sense because it says Andrew and we know it's not Andrew. And what we would then do in the toggle bar is we would look for Flashfill, click Flashfill, and voila. What it has actually done is it has actually copied the names from the email address, the first names only. Okay, what about the surnames? Same thing. So in row A2, the surname is Freehafer. So we're going to put there Freehafer, and that's the surname. And in our third row, Andrew's surname is Sensini or Shenshini. We're going to put Shenshini there and do exactly what we did the first time around. Drag it all the way down. Some of you don't need to do this dragging all the way down because intuitively your copy of Excel will probably just fill in all the names. So when we've done that filling in, we would go back again and we do the flash fill. Bingo. So now we have it in a few seconds. We've actually been able to ask Excel to pick up all the names and do exactly what we needed to do. Thank you very much. Well done.
Okay guys, so I've been showing you a couple of these videos and I'll continue to do this, and a couple of people are saying to me, look, where do I get the files? Where do I really get to practice, to get into the depth of all of these sorts of things? Well, stay with me, stay on this channel, like my page. What's going to happen is very soon I'll be telling you about an event where I'll come to you and we'll spend the day together working on these files, making sure we embed some of these skills and competencies. Well, I hope to see you soon. Stay in touch. Let's talk soon. Keep going till you get to the top, and when you get to the top, don't stop going.